James!
Oh, God, no!
So you've lost your sparkle too, huh?
No!
Bye-bye, Twinkle Toes.
It's really empty.
Here we go.
Junior, what are we gonna do?
We'll think of something.
You all thought it'd be so easy to defeat me, didn't you? You thought this technicolor dream world would just stay untouched forever? Well, it ain't. You had your chance, but you're done now. We Diesels always prevail. There's no room for your kind anymore.
You're wrong, Diesel.
What?
You're wrong. There's still good people in this world. People that choose to stand up against bullies like you.
You're an idiot. And it starts like that halt progression. You had your time, but the age of steam is gone. You puffballs are nothing. Nothing! And you know why? Because Goldtech is about to buy up all the land on this puny little island. And soon, the Northwestern Railway will run on nothing but fast, sleek, and efficient diesel power.
Your company was behind all of this?
Who do you think forced your controller into a legally binding contract to bring 3 new diesels in for a trial run?
Wait, what was that? What was that bobbing supposed to be?
Well, I was trying to do air quotes. It's kind of hard to do it with one pin sheet. I guess I'd really need 2 for it to work, but Ha! On God, puffball.
Whoa!
Watch out, I'm gonna sword. Bring up. Come here, where you got?
Whoa!
I'm gonna get you.
You're mad!
The magic is all gone now. No one's gonna save you. That's it.
You're a monster.
I'm the future, an inevitable future, and the first step to take in order to get there is getting rid of the past.
Thanks for gold dust. Holy shit, I forgot!
It's now or never! I've got to use up the rest of this stuff!
Are you ready?
No, we're not!
James the Brains! The Brawn, you splendid red engine, you get us the hell out of here!
Thank you, Whoa!